Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Momo and this video is actually starting in the Mara. That's where I am. So in this video, I want to show you the reason why I am actually here, fully paid for, and I want to actually show you all the nice images that I captured during the day. And then when we sit down, I'll actually show you how you can be part of such a trip as well. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get those credits rolling. Are actually heading to the Mara. I am super excited. There are so many people here. We are like 80 people here going to the Mara. And you see what I did? I actually started this business. I've grown this business by selling and telling people about this business. Now, I've actually gotten a free trip to the Mara. And you can do as well. So what you do, just get in touch with me and I'll show you exactly how to be able to do it. Come along. Right in front of you, this is Carol. Carol, this is your first time at the Mara. How has the experience been?
I can tell you it is out of this world. Mumo, imagine it's my very first time to be at the Mara. And yet I'm so Kenyan, but had never been here, been able to see the big three. And it is so exciting. I'm very excited. We are so many of us. The team is excited. Everyone is having so much fun. I can tell you that.
What can you tell people who want or are curious about this business?
Wow, let me tell you, this is totally more than I had signed up for. You know what? When I signed up, I was just thinking the money really, because I really wanted to have a bigger paycheck and to quit my day job. But the fun that has come with it is out of this world. We are in the Mara with such a fun team. From the Mara is to the US, and I can tell you others are going to Malaysia, others to Dubai. There is so much fun. And I can tell you there's something in store for January next year. And that is open for everyone who signs up with us between now and December of 2024. Can you believe that? You need to be with us to see this. I can tell you it'll be out of the country. There'll be beaches. There'll be lots of fun. There'll be lots of tours. And you just don't want to miss. That's all that I can say. The rest, you'll experience it from inside. Yeah.
So we have Prexides. Tell us, how has Masai Mara been for you?
Lovely. This is not my first time in Masai Mara. I've been here 3 times. This is my 4th time with BF Suma. Before then, I've never been to Masai Mara. And the most exciting thing is to show the team, to have this amazing, wonderful team with me. Look at the kind of vehicles we are using. Being tourists in our own country. Has it ever happened? And of course, each one of us can do it. So we are passing a clean message that we can all do it. Find yourself a BF Suma somebody. Find yourself a friend, a relative, and a neighbor, and tell them about BF Suma. We are here every year, and not yet. Now we are on our way to Dubai. We are on our way to Malaysia, and we are on our way to US. Actually, I can't help it. If we can do it, you can do it. Be blessed. Thank you. We are BF Suma.
So on screen is BK. We call him BK. Is Bernard Kasema. So Bernard, just talk to the people. Tell them, how has Mara been for you?
Good morning, everybody. I want to tell you this is BF Suma. You've never seen a company like this one. We are nearly 100 people in Mara right now, and we're all having fun. We are seeing animals. My friend, we are tourists in our own country. I've never seen anything like this. And the spirit and the people are so excited. What you are seeing around here is what we call the Eagle team. The Eagle team is that flying team in BF Suma. What you need to be in Eagle team simply is find somebody who is in here that you know, get in touch. And we show you the beginning of life. Anybody who has not traveled is like reading a book and they have not even opened the first page. And I tell you, this is only the beginning. What excites me is that this company is able to do this for a whole number of people. What's exciting is that we are living here and finding money in our accounts on Monday. What is exciting is that you just come in, work hard. The work, I will not lie to you, but our work is simple. Our work is get excited about finding people who would be excited about the things that you would be excited about yourself. And that's it. And we are in. Otherwise, thank you very much. There is no company like BF Suma. I really want to encourage each one of you, anybody who knows anybody who is in BF Suma, find them. And if you're in BF Suma, it's your time now to get people to know what are the goodies that we have around here. Thank you very much. Signing off, BK. Thank you.